Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essential. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim codes in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to open up a web browser on your device, and on the URL bar, just type in bungie.net, which will take you to the official website for Bungie. Wait for this to load. So once you're in the Bungie website, click on Destiny 2. So make sure you have logged in first, and then click on your profile, which is this icon right here, which will bring up this menu. And from the menu, click on Redeem Codes. So which will take you to the code redemption page. Now just enter your code right here. Click on the area first, and then enter your code. Once you enter your code properly, click on Redeem, and you can claim your codes this way. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guide and tutorial. This has been your host, Cease. Happy